You're watching the Financial News Network. I'm Nicole Dessou. Citigroup raised its 2011-2012 earnings estimates for Activision Blizzard and maintained its buy rating and $16 price target. The bank sees 2011 earnings of 85 cents up from 78 cents per share and 2012 earnings of $1.05 up from 96 cents per share. Activision Blizzard has a potential upside of 11.8% based on a current price of $13.23 and an average consensus analyst price target of $14.78. You're watching the Financial News Network. I'm Nicole Dessou.